What's up, guys? So I'm gonna bring you guys a little carpet cleaning action today. We just got one room to clean, and I'll show you guys the stains that we're dealing with. So this is what we got. Told me this is a soda stain right here, and then just some soil areas. So
Please let me treat y'all to lunch today, all right?
oh man, I appreciate it.
Oh, thank you, Joe.
So you can see. All right, guys. All right, guys, so the carpet's all done. Took me a little bit longer. I had some technical difficulties. I ended up not being able to get my heat set up right. So I'm gonna look into that and see what the problem was, but it did not heat up. So I used cold water, but you can see with good chemistry, the carpets look a lot better. And I'll show you guys some before and after pictures. But yeah, this was it, just one room. We're out of here. I'm gonna rake this carpet real quick, get my footprints out, and call it a day. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, let's see what happened with the dirty water. That is nasty, like battery acid. All right, guys, so I can't end the video without plugging the review automation and management software. So you can see we have our tablet. So I just finished up the customer. Now, I didn't get a chance to input that number while I was there. So all you do is once it's connected to internet, and I have a Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone, which most people do these days, all we're gonna do is type his phone number in. I'm not gonna do it on camera so we can keep his phone number private. But once I type it in and click go, it's gonna automatically send him a text that thanks him for using us and asking him to leave a review with a direct link to our Google My Business. So they can directly just click it. It's gonna pop up a page, the Google page, right to the review part, which makes managing reviews super simple. And past that, there's some more benefits I talked about in my main video. If you would like to learn more, I will tag that video at the end of this one. But definitely, if you want to get more reviews built up, automated, hit me up. Lord to Genius, this is my company, and I can help you out. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.